Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your beneficiary changes on Fidelity, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. Navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab located at the top of the page. Select Beneficiaries from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of your accounts along with current beneficiary designations. Identify the account for which you want to back up beneficiary changes. Click on the account name to view the details. Take note of the current beneficiaries listed for that account. If changes have been made, ensure you have the updated information available. Consider making a physical or digital note of the current beneficiaries. You can also take a screenshot for your records, ensuring it includes all relevant details. If you need to make changes, click on the Edit button next to the Beneficiary section. Follow the prompts to update or add new beneficiaries as needed. Once you've made the desired changes, review all information to ensure accuracy. After confirming the updates, click Save to finalize changes. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. Log out of your account to secure your information. Store your backup notes or screenshots in a safe location for future reference. Periodically review your beneficiaries to ensure they align with your current wishes. This will help you maintain accurate documentation of your beneficiary designations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.